Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser is blocking a website, failing to download a file, or refusing to play a video while displaying a MIME type mismatch or unsupported MIME type error, it means the browser is receiving a file formatted differently than what the server claimed it would be. I will show you exactly how to reset your file handlers and fix this connection right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason Firefox gets confused by file types is a corrupted internal database that dictates how different downloads should open. Open your Firefox browser, click the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner, select Help, and then click on More Troubleshooting Information. Under the Application Basics section, look for the Profile Folder row and click the Open Folder button to reveal your core system files. Now completely close your Firefox browser so the background files are not actively locked by the operating system. In the folder that just opened, scroll down until you find a file explicitly named handlers.json. Right-click on this specific file and completely delete it. When you reopen Firefox, it will automatically generate a brand new, perfectly clean file handler database, which instantly resolves most MIME-type download errors. Next, if the error happens while simply trying to load a specific web page or embedded video, your browser might be holding on to severely corrupted site preferences. You can completely wipe a site's stored configurations using a hidden feature. Open your Firefox browser and press Ctrl, Shift, and H on your keyboard to open the History Manager window. Find the problematic website in your history list, right-click directly on the entry and select Forget About This Site. This completely erases all data associated with that specific website, including its history, cookies, cache, and saved MIME preferences, forcing the site to load fresh and uncorrupted the next time you visit. Finally, if the site is still broken, the website's server itself might actually be misconfigured and sending Firefox the completely wrong file labels. Since you cannot control the server, you can force Firefox to correct the labels on the fly. Open your Firefox browser, go to the official add-on store, and search for an extension called Content Type Fixer. Click Add to Firefox to install it. Once installed, click the new extension icon in your toolbar and turn it on. This powerful tool automatically intercepts mislabeled downloads and incorrectly formatted web files, seamlessly correcting their MIME types in the background so your browser can open them perfectly without any errors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.